Hi everybody, it is Miss Bethany from the Downtown Library, and today I'm going to talk about our October Take and Make kit for the Maker Monday. We are making hopping frogs. It's pretty cool. So what we're going to do first is you're going to need to come to the Downtown Library and pick up a goodie bag. In the bag we have a pair of frog legs, a round foam circle, 2 googly eyes, a rubber band, 2 plastic cups, a strip of glue dots, and a red piece of paper. The additional items that you'll need is a pair of scissors, a Sharpie marker or some kind of marker to write on the foam with. I like a pencil because we have to wrap our red piece of paper and it kind of creates a little tongue for the frog. So the first thing you're going to need to do is cut out your frog legs. I already did that, so here they are. You're going to take a glue dot and you're going to attach the frog legs to your round circle. You're just going to take the glue dot off the paper and just kind of attach it to the back of the frog leg or the frog body. And you're going to do that for each leg. And you can stretch the glue dot, that way you can get maximum coverage of the frog leg to get it all attached to your foam. So this is our first step. We need the body of the frog. The next is we're going to use a glue dot to attach your eyeballs. I find that it's easy if you just put the glue dot on the eyeball itself and then just kind of push it down. It comes right off the wax paper just fine. So now we have 2 eyes on our frog. The next thing you can do is draw a face for your frog, because that's how you're going to be able to attach, where to put the mouth at. The mouth tongue is if we go make a face. So just 2 lines for his nose and a big smile, just like this. Now, to make the tongue, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to wrap it around my paper. Wrap my paper around my pencil, sorry. That way it kind of gets that curve action going on there. See? Just like that. You're going to take another glue dot and you're going to attach his tongue around his mouth somewhere. You can put it so that way it looks like he's got his tongue out ready for some flies. Our next thing we're going to do is take our 2 plastic cups. One cup will already have 2 holes in the bottom of it. The other one will not. The one that doesn't have holes will be our base. You're going to take your rubber band and you're going to cut it so you have 1 whole strip of rubber band, and you're going to just thread it through your bottom of the cup, and it needs to be tied. So just give it a tie. I tied it twice just to kind of make sure the rubber band doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't come loose from our cup. And you're just going to tie it on one side and then thread it through the other so the rubber band goes straight across the inside of your cup. Alright, there we go. If you'd like, you can cut off the excess of the rubber band, but it's not necessary. So there's this. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take our frog, we're going to put 2 glue dots on the back of our frog. And now we're going to attach our frog body to the cup. And that's what's going to make him hop. So just like that, easy peasy. Now, to make our frog hop, you're going to take the body of the frog, and where that rubber band is, you're going to push down on the base of the other cup, and it's going to fly. And it may take a while. It may kind of fly randomly. Depends on how much pressure you put down on the frog, depends on how far it flies. So there you have it. There is our Maker Monday Take and Make from the Downtown Library. You can call us and we can set up a curbside pickup time for you. Thank you.